everybody, welcome back to my channel. It has been a real hot minute since I uploaded. I don't think I've uploaded since February. I just wasn't feeling it, I guess, and I went overseas, and so I thought I would just wait until I was ready to go again to film instead of putting out stuff I didn't like. Also, I have a cold, so I sound a little bit like a man. Actually, I don't have a cold. I don't know. I got something, so I sound kind of like a man. Today I am going to be doing a little, that was loud, I'm going to be doing a little tutorial using the Morphe 35G Bronze Gold palette. Now, I did not order this. My boyfriend surprised me with it and I was like, how did you get this? My god, it is so beautiful. I also love the packaging. So this is the packaging here, and then I'll just take, it does have names on it. I love a good naming. And this is it here. So I think it's really cute. I have no idea what look I'm going to do. I've also not seen anyone do any looks from here because I haven't been looking. So I guess I'm just going to wing it. I've also got lash extensions and I just want to be like not scared of doing makeup looks over them because it really puts me off. I don't know why. Like, I'm just scared like to damage it when I take the makeup off. So we're just gonna go full bore because my lash lady gave me like makeup remover for my eyes. So it's gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine. Yep. Obviously the first shade we're gonna take is Sandy, which is this one right here. This just looks like the perfect transition shade. There's also one a couple doors down called Deserted that looks exactly the same, but we're gonna use Sandy because she was the first one I saw. So I've already done my eyebrows and carved them out with concealer and put the concealer on my lid. I haven't set it because that's just the way I roll right now. Don't know what look I'm gonna do at all. Obviously something very bronzy considering this palette. Okay, this goes on very nice even when this base is not set. Oh my god, I actually haven't done my eyeshadow in yonks. The next shade I'm going to be taking is Record Temps, which is kind of like this brown burgundy right here. Also very fitting considering yesterday was the hottest March day ever recorded here in Australia, well in Queensland, and it's so goddamn hot. I don't like it. I hate the heat. Ugh! Like, I like mild hot, but not hot hot. Ew. You literally couldn't even do anything. Okay, so my camera just did this weird thing where it just like literally stopped recording. I have no idea where it left off. I have no idea what it recorded. I'm just blending this out because I put a little bit too much on with this. I think Tan Up is just a little bit darker, so we're going to go in with Tan Up on the outer corner. This just, oh, my go-to. I'm that person. I love just a bronzed look. Like, oh, it is just the best. It's so easy to. Like, what we've used 3 colors and this looks bomb. So I love Morphe palettes. They just tickle my fancy, you know? Okay, I'm gonna go in with black, but not till after, I don't think. Actually, no. We'll go in with it slightly now. So everyone knows what the black looks like, but it's at the bottom and it's called Deep End. I'm not too sure if it's like a black or a really dark navy. It looks black. I'm dusting it off like crazy because, oh, I don't want to know. Okay. It's adding a good amount of depth. I'm just tapping it in there because black's a very unpredictable color. even going to go in for more. And I feel like it's even harder to control when you have a rounded eye. Not ideal, but it's so, like, it looks so good. I'm just gonna blend that. There's always one eye that just doesn't work well, you know? Now we're gonna pick a shimmer shade. What shimmer shade should I pick? Oh, this one's caught my eye because it's dead in the middle. I'm gonna go in with Summer Vibes. Summer Vibes is nice. So this one right here, we're gonna go in. Is my finger in the way? We're gonna go with this one, and I just put my finger in it. Wow. Goes a long way. I was gonna cut it out, but then I was like, it's a rounded eye, so I feel like I can just get away with it. And you can really cut the crease out with anything, i.e. eyeshadow. Oh, second layer. Oh my god, this looks so nice. I haven't done this in so long. This is so exciting. I would say it's not like crazy pigmented, but like when you build it up, like you're gonna get there. Like the first layer is not crazy, and then when you put the second one on, wow. I'm not too sure what formula this is, but I really like the color payoff once you get there. Okay, so I think I'm like 100% done with this right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and then I'll come back to do the underneath. So far, I think this looks awesome. I love this color. Like, I love this. I love how easy it was, and it looks so good. So I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup and then I'll be back. All right, and done. So now let's move on to the underneath. So I think I'm just gonna go in the same sort of order. So I'm just gonna go back in with Sandy. And then I'm just gonna take Record Temps and put that on the outer corner. Just gonna take a little bit of mascara and pop that under my, on my lower lashes. And lastly, I'm just gonna go in with this shade right here, which is probably like the lightest, really golden one, and it's called Glow On. A little bit on my brow bone. And that's the finished look. I really, really love this palette. I think it literally has every color that you would need if you are like super obsessed with bronzy looks. It is just so nice. I've even got like a couple cool tone ones, so it's kind of like the palette for everyone, because who doesn't love a bronzy look? So yeah, I really, really love this video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I really love this video. Yeah, well, I guess I do. But I love this palette. I think it's great, and I'm definitely going to be getting a lot of use out of it. I can feel it now. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. I just think this is a me look. I love how it's like very warm, very like sunset vibes, bronzy, the point, but yeah. But thank you so much for watching this video. I am sorry about the lack of videos, but as I said, I didn't want to put out ones that I didn't want to film. So now I think I'm back into the groove and back on the train, I guess. So excuse my weird little voice. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!